Have you ever wondered how the greatest minds in history managed to solve seemingly insurmountable problems? How did they untangle the Gordian knots of their times and leave indelible marks on the canvas of human progress? Well, today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of problem solving. Problem solving is a critical skill and an integral part of our lives. It's the ability to understand a situation, identify potential solutions, and then make a decision to reach a resolution. It's about using logic, creativity, and analytical abilities to overcome challenges. And it's not just for mathematicians, scientists, or engineers. From navigating a complex recipe in the kitchen to figuring out the fastest route in traffic, problem solving is something we all do every day. So, what's the process? Problem solving typically involves a few key steps. First, there's the identification of the problem. This might sound straightforward, but it's often one of the most challenging parts of the process. You have to not only recognize that there is a problem, but also understand it well enough to start working towards a solution. Then, there's the generation of alternatives. This is where creativity comes in. It's about thinking outside the box and coming up with as many potential solutions as possible. Next, there's the evaluation of alternatives. Here's where logic and analysis come into play. It's about weighing the pros and cons of each option and determining which is the best path to take. And finally, there's the implementation of the solution. This is where the rubber meets the road. It's about taking action, applying the chosen solution, and then monitoring the results to see if the problem has been successfully resolved. But who are some famous problem solvers? Well, think of Albert Einstein, who unraveled the mysteries of the universe with his theory of relativity. Or Marie Curie, who broke down barriers in both science and society to discover radium and polonium, paving the way for the field of radioactivity. Or even Steve Jobs, who revolutionized technology and consumer electronics with his innovative ideas and designs. In summary, problem solving is a vital skill that involves identifying a problem, generating alternatives, evaluating these alternatives, and then implementing a solution. It's a process used by some of the greatest minds in history, from Albert Einstein to Marie Curie to Steve Jobs. And it's a skill that we all use in our everyday lives, whether we're trying to navigate a complex recipe or find the fastest route in traffic. So the next time you're faced with a challenge, remember you're in good company, you're a problem solver.